In this video, I will show you how to access the clipboard on your phone and view your copied text history. First, open any application such as Messages, Notes, or web browser where it will be required for you to type. Now tap on the text field to bring up the keyboard. If you're using the default Samsung keyboard, you should be able to find the clipboard icon over here. Simply tap on it to access your clipboard. If you do not find it here, then you can tap on these three dots. Here, you should be able to find the option of clipboard. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you can see your clipboard, you will find everything that you have copied. Now, if you want to paste it, then you simply want to tap on it once and it's going to be pasted in this way. If you want to remove items from your clipboard, you can simply tap and hold on it, then select it, then tap on this delete icon and tap on delete to confirm. If you want to pin any of the words, then you can simply select it and then tap on this pin icon and then pin it as well. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.